Hi, and welcome to Pedayoga Fundamentals. I'm Franz Hutchison. I'm the author of the collection, and also a parent of a child with special needs. Um, a quick story: Pedayoga was created probably not in the most optimal time of my life. Being a parent of a child who I was struggling to just understand how her brain functioned, why she didn't talk, why was she biting everyone into the kindergarten. At one point, because I was a teacher and I thought I knew how to raise a child like this, I was scratching my head quite a lot. And I, at one point, just went to a burnout. So, my doctor said, Franz, you should try yoga for yourself and see how it helps you with anxiety, with focus, with just realigning and be more self aware and be probably less stress about things. So I discovered that yoga was super helpful for me, really helped me with my health and mental health. And I discovered as well that it was so beneficial and similar to some of the sessions that she had with an occupational therapist and into helping her just be more self-aware of the environment and how her sensory disorder was functioning. So anyways, all of this to say that Pida Yoga is there and was created to help teachers integrate yoga but also help teach children differently. So in the last 20 years, we have trained more than 5,000 people. I lost count of it because we have been training quite a lot online and also moving into different parts of the world. Now, Peda Yoga is in English after 20 years. I'm super excited to do this because definitely will reach more people. And this means we will help more teachers also be more self aware, helping them with their mental health, with their energy level, and stay in their position, stay into the classroom, stay in the education system, because we have some of the great teachers out there who want to change the education system. So, Pedagoga is there to help not only kids, but also teachers, educators, special ed, and parents. So I'm behind the concept, but definitely Pedagoga was there because a lot of teachers, a lot of educators, a lot of parents have told me what they needed. And we have created a great collection of books. And that's is why I've traveled so much is because I've been connecting with all of you guys in order to build that collection. The monkey is there as a mascot because one day I was in the book fair and I said, you know what? Why is Caillou? Why is Dora? Why is all the other authors attracting so many kids? I was lacking one monkey, one mascot. So one day I was in my living room. My daughter was driving me nuts. She was actually jumping on the sofa. I was trying to just relax at 3 a.m. in the morning because this is when my morning was starting when Daphne was really young. And I said, you know what? She's has brown hair, brown eyes, dark brown eyes, and she was just moving like a monkey. And I said, you know what? This is going to be the mascot of the collection. This is why Namaste, the monkey, came into the life of the collection. So we will learn together. I'm super excited to tell you more about how you will integrate yoga into your classroom, into your daily life with children, into your daycare, or at home as a parent. So at the end of this first level, which is the red level, first, the foundational piece, you will be able to facilitate yoga poses and to create a mini sequence of poses. And you will be able to help children just integrate that into their daily life. You will also learn that it's easy to do. I'm not complicating things, super easy, super practical. It has to be pedagogy linked because I'm a teacher. I love to learn and I love to teach and I love to communicate. I can't do differently. So I always have in the back of my mind, how can I teach these things? I teach what I'm learning. So at the end of the session, this modules or these modules, you'll be able to know all the benefits. I will tell you a few stories. You will learn to facilitate the yoga poses. You will learn the three phases, and you will use the power of games in order to have more fun and to help children basically diminish their anxiety, diminish their hyperactivity, or just manage their activity level and to be able to learn to focus. And at one point, all of this will be integrated and they will also be able to assess their level of emotions. So, because we're human beings, we love to learn all these different levels. It touches the head, the heart, the body, and the soul, definitely. So, as a teacher, you will learn all this. As a parent, an educator, you will learn to integrate it. If you want to learn more about the chakra system, well, the entire chakra system was so intriguing for me that I've created the curriculum based on the chakra system. So the entire Pedayoga system is linked to the seven colors of the chakra system. These are the energy centers that we have on the body. It's scientifically proven. So we have the seven levels and you have the seven names attached to it: the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus one, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye, and the crown chakra. And they all have words associated that you see on that file. So all the modules and all the other levels, you will have different skills, different competencies that you will learn that will help you become a better teacher, a better facilitator, and that you will integrate the yoga practice or Pedayoga curriculum within your practice, within your daily life. All of this because I want you guys to feel energized, vibrant, and connected connected to yourself and connected to the other people around you. So, all of this means starting with the basis, which is the root chakra system. So, it's the foundational piece. In this red level, you will learn the basis of the curriculum of Pede Yoga, which are the poses, but there's so much more. So stay in line, stay online, stay aligned, and you will learn how to use the poses and and also what are the poses that you can start with your children or in the classroom. Namaste, which means my divinity salutes your divinity. Talk to you soon.